G'day guys, Greg here. Well, here I am in beautiful Morningside in Brisbane, and it's fish and chip review time, and today I'm going to head down to the Fish Factory. Now it's got a 4.4 Google star rating, so let's whip on in, get one of their fish and chips, see what it's like, and I'll give them my own Grego star rating. Let's go. Woo-wee, I tell you what, how good was that? Mate, some of the fish in there was phenomenal. Anyway, here's the fish and chips. It's got a real weight to it. Let's suss it out. All right, here he goes. Holy mackerel! The size of this thing. No wonder it weighs so much. Woo-wee! This costs $12.20, and it's not mackerel, it's cod. Wow, this is an absolute feast. Let's try some of their chips. A little bit light on the salt, actually. Could have done with a heap more salt. It's a shame. They're alright, but they're not great. They're a little doughy and not enough crunch, and definitely needing more salt on them. Lucky I bring my own salt now. But let's take a look at this batter. Looks pretty good. Looks nice. It looks so oily too. And that fish inside, wow, that looks fantastic. Let's get some of this batter into us. That's a good batter. It's really greasy. Really oily. It sort of tastes like when you go to the show and get like a Dagwood dog. That's sort of coating on that. Oh man. But once again, it's really lacking in like some seasoning, like some salt. But let's try some of this fish. It looks really good. It looks fresh, and oh man, it looks so nice. That tastes really nice and fresh. Just tastes so good. Oh man, it's hot. Oh, boy. Oh, it's burning me. Let's try it together. Oh. That is really tasty. Wow. The oily coating on that fresh fish tastes really nice. Oh mate. Definitely a good hangover food, this one. Now it did come with some lemon, so let's do the lemon test. And it's not just any old piece of lemon too, it's the second largest piece of lemon in the whole world. Wow. Man, it's like milking a cow, this thing. There's so much juice. All right. Oh, that's a good lemon. and mixed in with this batter and the fish. Really tasty. Now, like I said, it's got a 4.4 Google star rating. What star rating would the old Grego give it? Well, $12.20, mate. There's more chips here than in a chip factory. There's so many chips, but unfortunately, they're not that good. They're not cooked really well, and well, they had no seasoning. They're a bit soggy and doughy. Not the best chips I've had. Size-wise though, mate, you could easily split this in two and feed 2 people. I mean, there's enough chips there for, well, a small family, I think. The batter on the fish, well, that was really nice. I really enjoyed that. Really greasy, and oh, mate, sometimes that's just what you need. And the fish inside, the cod I got, wow, that was tasty. You could taste it was fresh. It was really nice, and there was a big slab of it too. So for my Grego star rating, I think I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. The serving size was good, the taste of the fish was fantastic, and that butter was really nice. The only thing letting this down was, well, the lack of seasoning, which you could probably add your own, an extra of, on yourself. And these chips weren't that great. They're a bit soggy and, well, they're not the best chips I've had. They could really improve those. But besides that, mate, what a feast. Well, if you're ever around Morningside, mate, whip on into the fish factory. I tell you what, their fish and chips is pretty good. And if you're looking for some other sort of fish to just buy or seafood, mate, they've got it all and it looks really good. And if you do decide to go there, tell them Greg sent you. They're not going to have a clue. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and look at this wonderful estuary that flows into the beautiful Brisbane River. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for my next tip review. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finished.